Hi again, welcome to Cyberocean Academy. My name is Atul and I am a full stack Java developer at Cognizant, and I will help you to master core Java, and I will do my best. Okay, so let's start our first lecture of this course. And here you can see that what are the one of the most demanded programming languages 2022. We have Python, we have Java, JavaScript, C++, C Sharp, C, TypeScript, PHP, Perl, and Ruby, guys. So you're gonna see that how much Java is important to learn. Okay, so for a job perspectives, also for a programming perspective, Java is very important. So let's take a look our day one agenda, guys. So here we will first see a Java code. Then after we will discuss what is Java, what are the usage of Java, and what are the features. And also, if you are a beginner, you don't know anything about programming, so don't worry about that. We will also discuss about what is a programming language, how basically a program works, and what is a platform. Now, let's take a look of a Java code. So hello, Cyber. Okay, so here this is your class name, and if you are familiar with any other programming language, so you can understand, like in Java, if you want to write anything, you have to just write a class. Okay, a class name, and inside a class name you will start your Java program. So here hello cyber is a class. And for those, if you don't worry, okay, so if you don't know what is a class, so don't worry, we will discuss. And here this is our block of this hello cyber, which is started from 2 to 7. And now here you can see this is public static void main. Okay, so it is a function, guys. So if you don't know what is a function, so you can understand in this way. Function is kind of system where you put some input and it will give you desirable output. Okay, so here system dot out println, it is also a kind of function. Okay, we will discuss all those things later. Now, what is Java? Okay, so Java is one of most popular programming language, and also it is a platform. Okay, and it was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1991, and it was released by 1995. You can also see that this Sun Microsystem is now a part of Oracle. It is object oriented and a highly secure programming language. If you want to write a Java program, you can write once and run anywhere. So it is also called platform independent. So if you don't know what is a platform, okay, so I will discuss. So now, what are the uses of Java programming? So with the help of Java programming, you can develop a mobile application, a desktop application, a web application. Also, Java is uses on developing web servers and application servers. Also, with the help of Java programming, you can develop games. Also, it is used in database connections or distributed processing. Now, what are the features of Java programming? So Java is a highly robust programming language, guys. It is an object-oriented, platform-independent, and a strong type-checking programming language. Okay, so it is independent from any platform. What is a platform? Platform is your where it is kind of environment where a program runs. Okay, so it is a strong type checking programming language. What is a strong type checking? Suppose uh, we have different kind of data. Okay, suppose we have numeric data, and in that numeric data, suppose like 5463, these are the numeric data, and also we have some character data like A, B, C. So if that numeric data is numeric, okay, so inside that numeric data, suppose we have an integer. Okay, so 245 is considered as integer. So for that we have int data, and for character abc we have a char data. So if we will not write that data with that data type, that will give some problems. So why Java is a strong type JV programming language. And also here in Java we have a concept of compiler and interpreter. Okay, and for memory management, Java has garbage collector, guys. Okay, these garbage collectors are not available in C++ or C programming language. And also Java has a strong features of multi-threading. Okay, and so we will discuss each and everything in this course. Now, for those, if you are a like beginner, you don't know anything about programming, so you are very curious about what is a programming language and how basically this all things works. Okay, so first of all, programming language is a language. Okay, it's a medium of communication. It's like a language we communicate with people, but with the help of programming language we can communicate with an electronic device like computer. Okay, so it is a high level language like C or Java. Okay, so these are the high level programming language: Python, JavaScript. Okay, and these are much simpler to use. But why? There is one thing that we have to need another program to convert this programming language into a another code, that is a machine code, guys. Okay, so first of all, what is a machine code? Suppose, okay, so our computer does not understand anything. Computer hasn't a brain. Okay, computer does not have any brain. So what computer does understand? It does only understand 0 or 1. That 0 1 is known as your binary code, your machine code. Okay, and this is a low level code, and our code basically is a high level code when we write anything in that programming language. And another program, that is your compiler, that basically converts that high level code into a machine code. Okay, therefore also it is slower than the machine code. Okay, so now you have basic idea about what is programming language. Now also, uh, what is a platform? We have already mentioned about that Java is also a platform. Okay, so a platform is nothing but it is any hardware or software environment where a program runs. Our operating systems like Microsoft Windows, like Linux, like Mac, plus processor is known as a platform. Okay, so where basically we gonna write our program and where our program runs. It is also a software environment. So in Java we have a concept of JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay, so we will discuss this in our course. So I think you have a basic idea about what is a platform, and the rest of the part we will discuss in our next lecture. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video on Java programming, so please do subscribe the channel.